how people live. It's a reflection of society and the way people envision what perhaps a quality of life is all about.
Interior and architecture is one of the oldest design disciplines in Singapore. If you want to be a top designer, you do need a certain identity to your design.
In terms of interior design, the public ought to be more aware of what has been done in Singapore and ought to appreciate the good work that practitioners have achieved.
My wish for these firms is that they'll continue to hold on to that integral desire to innovate and keep winning more because they deserve it.